Hi, I'm Olivia, a 7th grader here at Hunt Middle School.
And I'm Sar, a 6th grader, also here at Hunt Middle School.
And today we're going to show you a tour of our Hunt Middle School.
Let's go! A cool fact about the waiting room also here in the office in Hunt Middle School is that this wood right here is actually flooring from the old Hunt Middle School.
Now welcome to our cafeteria.
And one cool fact about this is that not only is this a regular cafeteria, but look at the seating here. There's those chairs, and many more. It's like a whole entire restaurant in one cafeteria.
I think that it's a really big gym, like a high school gym in a way. And we have 6 basketball hoops, and I would really appreciate it instead of elementary ones because we actually get a lot of bleachers, plus a stage.
This is currently the band room.
And as you can see our drums. We got more lockers for your instruments or any materials that you have once you're in this class.
That was so bad.
We are going to our very own dance room.
Time to dance!
And one thing I really love about this dance room is that it's very spacious. And here is our when you're given a choice wall. We have stuck a lot of sticky notes on this glass to show respect and kindness. To remind yourself
When given the choice between, well, whatever and whatever, choose the better option.
And welcome to our tech room. But here's the thing that I really love about being in here. You can build your Legos, you can create projects, you can create your own logo and stickers.
So cool! I wanna try!
Welcome to our culinary arts room, where you can bake, cook, or boil anything you would like.
I can't wait to make anything! I don't care! I wanna use this stuff! Yay!
And one of my favorite things about being here is you have a map with different times and clocks around the world.
Welcome to another quiet area in the library. But there's another feature, great views. And over here is glaciers of Mount Rainier, locations as of 2015. This is our recording room.
And what we do in here, we will record our videos and news and what's going on in our community or our school. So here in Hunt Middle School, we have really large baseball field and football field, which normally not a lot of schools have a full-size football field and baseball field along with a full track.
I hope you have seen that every classroom has a different personality because all of our great teachers using their own imagination to make the classrooms as best as possible for each individual students as we are.
Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Make sure you come to school too. It's really good.
Bye-bye!